This guy lost his brass squeegee. No, not the tool. A pin, the kind you wear. But there was one big problem. This was a limited edition Ettore pin, and it's no longer available. That pin meant a lot to him. It's not just a pin. We know it represents something deeper than that. Pride in being part of something greater than ourselves. Passion in the job you do and about the window cleaning industry we all belong to. There's something powerful about a community that truly gets it. So we checked the back. Because when you carry more gear than anyone in the industry, there's always a chance something's still hiding. Old drawers, bottom bins, under racks, we looked everywhere. And there it was, waiting. We finally found a spare pin for him, so we packed it up and shipped it out. We threw in some WCR swag too, because we love spoiling our customers. And the best part is, your package is already on the way. The greatness of the community is most accurately measured by the compassionate actions of its members. And if it matters to you, it matters to us. That's the WCR way.